Hello everyone, today I will introduce you to the 50 watts intelligent driver. In response to the more demanding functions of 50 watts driver customers, we recently launched a multifunction driver that integrates DALI, Pwm Dimmer in the dimming method, and integrates constant current and constant voltage functions. The following is a detailed introduction to the function of this driver. First of all, it is compatible with constant current and constant voltage loads. Second, it is a two-channel output driver, any one of which can be turned off. If you use DALI function without one channel being connected, a warning message will show. This function can avoid the situation. Third, it can be set to DT8, DT6, 2-channel 2 address, 2-channel 1 address or 1 channel. Fourth, dimming can be as low as 0.1% at full load current. Finally, in the constant current load it can be set in minimal units of 1 mA, while in the constant voltage load it can be set in minimal units of 1 volt. The standard 50 watts driver is shown on TV. Now this is a 50 watts driver with bracket. The basic parameters are as follows: the input voltage is 90 to 305 volts, the output is 2-channel or 1, the output voltage is 8 to 55 volts, the output current is 200 to 1500 milliamperes, and the dimming methods are DALI, Pwm or DMX. Dimming mode includes DT8, DT6, dual, solo. The dimming range can be from 0.1% to 100%. There are three types of light curves: linear, logarithmic, and gamma. Gamma means in the DMX method, linear and logarithmic correspond to Pwm and DALI. Constant current is adjustable in minimal units of 1 mA, and constant voltage is adjustable in minimal units of 1 volt. The following describes the connection method. Constant voltage driver is widely used in lamp strips. I introduce a method of connecting two lamps to two outputs respectively. For example, when the maximum power is 50 watts, the rated voltage is 12 volts, and the current of each channel is 1.5 amperes. The actual maximum power is 36 watts, in the case of 24 volts, it is 104 amperes. The actual power is 36 watts and in the case of 48 volts, the maximum current is 520 milliamperes. If two channels are connected in parallel, 12 volts can use 3 amperes, 24 volts can use 208 amperes, and 48 volts can use 104 amperes. You can connect according to your own load. In the case of constant current, two lamps connected in two channels can be dimmed separately. Driver controls two different color temperatures separately by the way of DT8. Also it can be synchronously dimmed with one address. Now a commonly used connection method is shown: the positive electrode is shared, and the negative electrode is separated. This method is suitable for our driver. Parallel connection can also be used under constant current load. The above is a brief introduction to the driver. What's next is the lamps. As you saw, two constant voltage 24 volts lamps are used as examples. The first lamp is only one channel, it is one color lamp. The second lamp has two channels, the positive electrode is shared, and has cold and warm colors. First, this one, we use Pwm Dimmer to dim. We dim the light intensity from small to large, from 0.1% to 100%. As we saw, is very smooth. We used a Lutron controller. This is the process from 100% maximum brightness to off. Now the process is 50% to the brightness. This lamp is 1.8 amperes, which exceeds the current capacity of a single channel, so we use a dual dimming parallel connection. The minimum brightness is 0.1%, the light is very soft, and there are not many products that can be achieved in the constant voltage drivers. This is a tube with dual dimming included: cold light, warm light. We connected the setter. The left slider bar is used to adjust the brightness, The right one is used to adjust the color temperature. Using the DT8 mode, the adjustment of color temperature will be more convenient. Since the lamp are not so good, when the driver adjusted to the minimum brightness, the light emit unevenly. For the driver, the minimum brightness can be 0.1%. So today we demonstrated the driver under DALI control at constant voltage DT8 and PWM control at constant voltage. Our driver is not only suitable for constant voltage load but also constant current load. And the set value of the current and the voltage is very broad. I hope you like this driver. If you need detailed information, please go to our website. Thank you all.